Hello, hi friends. You're welcome on my YouTube channel, Digital Marketing with Aurav. Today our topic is Google Ads interview questions answer. So let's start one by one question answers. First question is explain PPC marketing. Why do you think PPC is essential in digital marketing? So answer is PPC is marketing strategy that drives traffic from search engines or other websites to company's website. The advertisers is paid when a user click on the ad. Hence the payment is made per click. PPC is important because of the following reason. First reason is you can reach the right customer at the right time. Second, PPC shows results more quickly than organic campaigns. Third, PPC can effectively advertise odd products that are difficult to find soon. Next question, what is Google Ads? On which model does Google Ads work? So answer is developed by Google. Google Ad is an online advertising platform. Advertisers pay to display brief ad product listening, videos, content, and service offering to users and generate mobile app installs within the Google Ad networks. Google Ads system partly hinges on cookies and keywords determined by the advertisers. Google Ads offers various advertising formats including text-based display, video, and app installs ads. It allows advertisers to set a budget for their advertising campaign and only pay when users click on at their ads. Pay per click model, or when their ad is displayed, that's mean pay per impression model. Google Ads leverage the PPC or pay per click online system. Next question, third number. What are the benefits of Google Ads? Here are the few benefits of Google Ads. That is the amazing reach. Second one is campaign success measurability. Third one is the good targeting. Fourth one is the control over budgets. Fifth number, significant increase in conversions. Next question. Explain the working of Google Ads. Here are the basic overviews of how Google Ads work. Setting up an account, creating a campaign, choosing keywords, setting bid and budgets, creating advertisements, targeting and placements, ad auction, ad rank and ad position, pay per click model, performance monitoring and optimization. These are the points which is follow for the working of Google AdWords. So you can take a snapshot and go through one by one points. Next question. Why use Google Ads? Google Ads is a solid online advertising platform businesses use to promote their product or services through targeted advertisements. There are several reasons to use Google Ads. That is the reach, targeted advertising, cost effective, measurable results, quick results, flexibility, ad formats, local advertising, competitive advantage, remarketing. You can also take a snapshot of this slide and go through one by one points. Next question. Explain campaign management. Answer, campaign management refers to creating and managing companies' advertising campaigns on Google Ads. The campaign manager oversees the campaign and provide the best ROI, that is return on investment. Next question. Why is PPC fundamental point of online advertising? PPC is a must because of it shows results faster than organic campaigns, integrating search engines optimization techniques. It helps campaigns reach the right customers and is also helpful in marketing products that otherwise may be difficult to find out. Next question, 8 number. What is ad rank? Answer, ad rank is an ad's position on the Google page. The bid amount, ad quality, ad threshold, competition, user search context, and the expected impact of extensions and other ad format determine it. A good ad rank ensures the ad gets more visibility compared to others. It is recalculated every time the ad is eligible to appear, so its position fluctuates depending on the above factors. Next question, ninth number. Explain Google's quality score. It is a metric based used by Google Ads to measure the quality and relevance of your ad campaigns. The quality score plays the crucial role in determining the placement of your ads and how much you will pay for each click. It evaluates the overall quality of your ads, keywords, and landing pages. The quality score is calculated based on first number relevance of keywords, second ad click through rate, ad relevance, landing pages experience. The quality score is outlined on the scale of 1 to 10. 10 is being the highest possible score. Ads with the highest higher quality scores are generally rewarded with better ad placements and lower cost per click. 10th number question, explain how to set up Google AdWord campaign. Answer, given below is the step-by-step guide to setting up a Google Ads campaign is as follows. First point is open an account by this link ads.google.com. Log in if you have existing one. Decide your campaign's daily budget. Google evaluate the coverage of your you can get with the budget you enter the help of your make the best option. Decide the geographic location of your targeted audience to exclude people uncovered by the products or services. And next point, select a network. Uncheck the display network option if you wish to advertising to appear on Google search engines. List out your keywords and include the matches. Decide the highest offering offer you are willing to pay for every click. Write the text of your first ad. Enter your payments details. That is the steps you can follow for set up any campaigns in Google. Next question, explain the actual CPC. The actual CPC for advertisers is determined at auction. It is not visible. However, it may be less than your maximum CPC bid because you only pay what's necessary to beat the ad rank of the nearby competitors below you. The equation to calculate CPC, that is the CPC is equals to ad rank to beat divided by quality scores plus $0.01. However, the average CPC can be seen. Next question, what are the various Google AdWord extensions? Different types of extension can be used to increase the traffic. Some common extensions are site link extension, call out extension, structured snippet extension, call extension, message extension, location extension, affiliate location extension, price extension, app extension, review extension, promotion extension. Next question, what is the formula for finding CTR? CTR is the unit based to measure the click rate of your ad. The simple formula calculates is click CTR is clicks divided by impression into 100. Next question, state the difference between CPM, CPC and CPB bidding. CPC stands for the cost per thousand impression. Advertisers pay for every thousand impressions, that means views of their advertisements, regardless of whether it is clicked. CPM is used in brand awareness campaign to maximize the number of views, while the CPC, that is the cost per click. Advertisers pay each time users click on their advertising in CPC bidding. The advertisers set the maximum amount they are willing to pay per click. The ad platform uses an auction to decide which ad will be displayed and in what order. CPV, that is the cost per view. Advertisers pay each time users watch their video ad in CPV bidding. A view is counted after the user has watched the ad for a specific time, such as 30 seconds. Next question, define the ad rotation. Answer, it is a campaign setting in Google AdWords that automatically rotate the Google AdWord ad within the ad group. You can ask Google how it would rotate the ad, such as based on the best performing ad or rotating eventually how to do. That is, set ad rotation for your campaign. Sign in your Google account, click all campaign in the navigation panel, Then click on the campaign you would like to change. Then click on the setting in the page menu. Then after click additional setting, then choose add rotation. Then after select an add rotation method, optimize or rotate indefinitely, and then click on the save button. You can easily create the add rotation. What is the Google Ad double serving policy? Answer. The Google Ad double serving policy states that the advertiser can't use different account to advertise the exact keyword or website. Google enforces this policy to avoid showing users ad for the same company. Instead, user can view ads by different service provider and then choose. Next question 17. Define automatic bidding strategy. Answer. Automated bidding is a primarily Google AdWords strategy that automatically sets bid for ad based on how likely an impression will turn into fruitful fruitful click or conversion. It helps businesses maximize the profit of their campaigns. Google AdWords automated bidding considers multiple factors such as the user's device location, demographics, time of day, and more. With automated bids, advertisers don't have to fret about updating the bids of ad groups or keywords. Google AdWords set a bid for every auction based on the above factors and decides whether the ad should be visible. Next question. Name different type of automatic bidding strategy. The different automated bidding strategy in AdWords are maximize click, targeted search page location, enhanced CPC, targeted outranking say targeted CPC. Let's see one by one. Maximize click. Automatically adjust bids to get as many likes as per the budget. Targeted search page location. Automatically set the bid to increase the chances of an ad being displayed at the top of the Google search page or on the first search page. Enhance CPC. Automatically adjust bid to maximize conversions. Targeted outranking say the automatic setting of bid to outrank a domain and how often. Targeted CPC automatically set bid to get the maximum conversions per the targeted CPA. Next question. How many characters are accepted in AdWords ad? There are three. That's when I think headline should be 30 characters and description should be in 90 characters. And that is sufficient for any AdWords to for the headline 30 characters and description 90 characters. Next question. Difference between clicks and impression. Impression is the number of times your targeted audience view your Google ads, whether a text, link, banner, or button. This shows the reach of your advertisement. While the click is the number of times the targeted targeted users click on your ad and are taken to your website. This shows how many users used your ad to visit your website. 21 number question. Explain phrase match. Answer. Phrase match is one of the four keyword matching option in Google Ads. It allows the ad to be visible to the targeted people when they type the exact keywords and closely variation of the keywords with additional words before and after of the word keyword. For instance, if your keyword is buy smart headphones and your ad will be visible to people who type buy shoes, buy headphones online, or need to buy headphones. Phrase match is essential because at times a broad match or expanded broad match displays your ad to an extensive range of audiences you wouldn't want to show it to. On the other hand, the exact game narrows the impression to people who type the precise keyword without any variations, prefixes, and suffixes. 22 number question. What are the types of keywords? Answer. Broadly, there are five categories of keywords. That is the broad match, broad modifier, phrase match, negative keyword, exact match. Let's go through one by one. Broad match. This keyword have the vast audience. Broad modifier. These keywords have minute, narrow reach compared to broad match keyword. While in the phrase match, your Google ad appear to the people who hit this exact phrase match in search engine. There can be blend of other keywords before and after this phrase. Negative keyword. When advertisers use an entirely different set of keywords, exact match. These are the most precise range of keywords. Define Google Ad Express. This is simplified. This is a simplified version of Google Ads platform designed for small businesses that want to get started with online advertising but need more time to expertise to manage a complex campaign. Ads Express allows you to set up your campaign with just a few clicks and then leave to the management to the Google. 24. Define Google Ads API. Answer. It is a programmatic interface that lets developer interact with Google Ads account. With the Google Ads API, developers build custom applications that perform multiple tasks related to Google Ads, such as creating and managing campaigns, keywords, ads, and targeting criteria. The Google Ads API offers several functionalities, allowing developers to optimize and automate their Google Ads account. Some significant API features includes retrieving and analyzing performance data, making real-time campaign modification, and creating and managing reports. 25th number question, name of the different type of access level in key AdWords. Answer. Account access level, administrative access level, standard access level, read only access level, and email only access level. These are the access level in Google Ads. Define frequency capping in Google Ads. Where to use them? Featuring Google Ads, frequency capping lets you limit the number of times your ad are showing to a specific user within a specified period. It can be used in different type of Google Ads campaign, including videos, search, and display. Further, it can also be instrumental in remarketing campaigns where you want to target people who have earlier interacted with your website or previous ads. Next question, how can the landing page quality in Google AdWords be improved? Answer, ensure your landing page is relevant. Ensure a Google user experience. Provide high quality content. Include clear call to action. Optimize for keyword. Next question, define keyword insertion. Give reason why keyword insertion might not work. Answer. Keyword insertion enables advertiser to insert the keyword dynamically the triggered the ad into the ad gap copy. It allows advertiser to create more relevant and personalized ads tailored to users' search query. The different type of keyword insertion are title case. The first letter of all keyword is capitalized. Sentence case. The first letter of the first keyword is capitalized only. Lowercase. No letters are capitalized. The following are the sum of the reason why keyword insertion might not be working. First one is the keyword is too long. Second one is the keyword is not eligible to trigger the ad. Third was a misspelled code. Fourth one is the ad is disapproved. 29th number question, explain type of billing strategy. Advertisers must choose the billing strategy that best align with their advertising goal and budget. Some of the standard billing strategy are PPC, that is the pay per click, and CPM, that is the cost per thousand impression CPM, and CPA, that is the cost per action, and CPV, that is the cost per view, and flat rate. Uh, Stop this video here and take a snapshot of this question and go through one by one points. 30 number question. Explain IP address exclusion in Google Ads. The IP address exclusion feature in Google Ads let advertisers halt their ad from being shown to particular IP addresses. This feature can be used for several reasons, such as the exclude traffic from competitors or countries where a business does not operate, to stop internal traffic from being counted in campaign performance data, or to avoid fraudulent or invalid clicks. AdWords permits advertiser to exclude up to 500 IP addresses or IP ranges per campaign. IP address exclusion isn't foolproof method to prevent unwanted click, as IP address can be dynamic and change frequently. However, it is valuable tool to decrease the unwanted click and improve campaign performance. 31 number question. What is the use of conversion optimization? The conversion optimizer tool in Google AdWords manage bid at the keyword level. It determines which click on the ad will be valuable, leading to higher ROI. 32 number question. How to track conversions in Google AdWords? Conversions are tracked using the basic tracking code provided by AdWords and modified with additional code unique to a particular platform. The view through conversion window option track when a user sees your ad but doesn't click. Also, you can access the search funnels inside the tool and analysis, where you can see when customers click on an ad for the first time and how frequently they see your ad before being converted. 33 number question. Define remarketing. What benefit does it offer? Answer. Remarketing helps you connect with people who visited or interacted with similar with your site or mobile app. There are four types of remarketing. That is the standard remarketing, dynamic remarketing, video remarketing, customer list remarketing. These are the list of remarketing. The following are the advantages of remarketing you are doing. Large scale influence. Second, a special purpose list. Customer who are most likely to buy. 34 number question. State the difference between managed and automatic placements. Answer. Both automatic and managed placements are a part of the display network. With managed placement, marketers can choose various options to show your Google ads. This option include a specific website locations, videos, app, etc. For example, if a particular one rank well for a group of your targeted keywords, you can show your ads only on those pages. You don't get options in automatic placements and it shows your ads automatically. 35 number question. Explain Google Click to Call. Answer. It helps primarily local businesses that don't have or need a website. By setting up a Google Click to Call campaign, they can leave contact numbers so that user can call by clicking their advertisement on SERP, that is the search engine result pages. So this was 35 questions which is frequently asked in any Google PPC advertising interview. So we will see in next video. Thank you for watching.